trigger. Water pressure on both sides. Ready? So if you guys are still here, thank you. Make sure you guys subscribe, do all the stuff that you need to do, like, share, all that kind of stuff. That's what's going to help you guys get engaged with this giveaway. So whether you guys are RV enthusiasts or overland enthusiasts or just basic campers, this Blackstone is going to be perfect for all you guys. You know, it fits perfect down in our bay here. We've had it in the Bronco where we've gone on multiple trips. It is definitely a changer for the way people prepare food if you want something really cool. So if you guys are looking to win this thing, make sure you guys subscribe first. If you guys are not subscribers, really should be. We have a lot of cool content we got coming out for the RV, as well as overlanding. We got a few trips planned that we're actually going to try to go on and try to take the Bronco out there. We're taking my buddy and his son out there, out to Arkansas for a rendezvous at the Ozarks, and I think that's going to be something really cool. But make sure you guys subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification bell if you guys haven't, so that you guys get updated on all these cool videos that we're doing. And yeah, I think this is going to be a really cool giveaway. Simply interact with us, and that's all we ask for, and we'll pick the top 10 people that interact with us, and we'll draw from there, and one lucky winner will win this Blackstone that we're going to be giving away. Peace.